It's John Champion, and alongside me, Jim Beglin, here at the Saitama Stadium 2002.
Hello, John. Hello, everyone. It's a real pleasure to be here.
The teams then, Manchester United against Barcelona. These are the lineups. And we're now all set. Sends the ball wide. Shoots here. They've made a flying start.
That was such a good effort, despite the attention of his marker. I thought he did really well there.
Ball in. And the danger cleared away. Whacks it. They have another go.
Listen, it's still early enough in this game and we'll see how it develops, but for me it looks like they need to be a bit more incisive in the final third already.
Onside. He sends it in. It's out of play, and that'll be a goal kick. Vidic. He's got in. Here's Giggs. Oh, and he'll be disappointed with that. He's been flagged offside.
Good call. He was just behind the last defender.
Iniesta. Jordi Alba. Now the chance! Keeper claims it.
Well, the defender was stuck to him like glue, but he got his effort away. It wasn't quite enough, though.
It's on for him. Oh, flag up. Just offside then. He'd strayed off the last man. The referee's assistant pretty alert. Rooney cuts it out. Scholes. Great chance for the counter. Wants to get this forward. Rooney cuts it out. The ball's with Cesc Fabregas. 15 minutes played. Iniesta on the ball. Tries to slide it past the defence. Got it. Rooney. He's onside here. Takes a shot, and the chance accepted with some aplomb, and it's Manchester United who go in front. That goal oozed quality.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
So we start again at 1-0.
Well, when you look around the dressing room and think, who can I depend on? This is the guy for me. He's such a wonderful technician.
Out wide. Crosses towards the centre, and no danger there from that cross.
Oh look, they've got to show cooler heads. By giving it away, they're just inviting more danger.
An opportunity down the side. That's a throw. Here is Sergio Busquets. It's a big opportunity with a corner. A ball in. No, beaten to it. Here's Van Persie. Here's Puyol. Now Sergio Busquets. The ball is with Messi. Oh, he's lost it.
Listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, they'll threaten more from the wider positions.
Now he's ready for a shot. He takes the opportunity to shoot. They've done it. 2 goals to the good, and they're set fair.
Well, it's so rare to see that kind of ability in the modern game. I'm just delighted it ended in a goal. Great stuff.
A fine goal, a real delight to watch. Now it's 2-0.
Yeah, we've seen it before that 1-0 can be a fragile scoreline, but now that they have that extra cushion, 2 should be enough.
And Lionel Messi sets off on one of his trademark runs. And that's gone wide of the left-hand post. Now Vidic. Giggs. Rooney. It's through. Nani! Nicely fed in.
Yeah, the ball in there was simply superb. He won't be too happy that it's gone to waste like that.
Xavi. The flag stays down. A corner kick given. Hits a ball in. Plays this forward. Rooney. Here's Giggs. No, it was cut out. Chance for a counter then. It's a throw-in. And Cesc Fabregas. Oh, free kick awarded in a very promising position here. And Barcelona with a free kick. Here's a ball in. The ball is with Giggs. There's Rooney. Here's Messi. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. Giggs. Puts it backwards. That was nice, but no goal.
Oh, that's a neat little 1-2 they played there, and it so nearly led to a goal. Lovely stuff from them.
Scholes, creator of 1 goal already. The linesman's kept his flag down. Here's Van Persie. That's a trip. Manchester United have this free kick. He's gone for it! There goes the whistle, and it's half-time.
I just think they've knocked the ball about really well and, made the opposition chase it all over the pitch, but importantly, they've got that lead.
They lead by 2-0 at this point. There's the signal for the start of the second 45. I've got this funny feeling the scoreline may not stay the same. Manchester United against Barcelona. Now Rooney! That's the end of the danger for now. They were so nearly punished for their mistake.
Well, the end result was such a shame, but what a great attempt to win the ball back and get a pop in at goal.
He sends it in. Here's Iniesta. Just caught him. And Barcelona with a free kick. The ball is with Messi. Iniesta! Keeper makes the stop. Puyol! No, that's over the bar.
They've come out of the dressing room firing on all cylinders now. We could be in for quite a second half here.
Now Vidic.
There just isn't enough movement for them. They're struggling to make a breakthrough.
He's free. Van Persie. Cleared away to safety. It's a nice one too. Here's a throw in a potentially dangerous area too. Oh, late challenge. Rooney. The pass cut out. Alexis Sanchez. Scholes. Here's Rooney. It's on for him. He's onside.
If the support had come quicker, that wouldn't have broken down.
Valencia. Giggs. Scholes. He can take the shot on here. He parries it. What a save. He knocks it in. He stayed up for this pass. Alexis Sanchez. Scholes. Rooney having a fine game, already the scorer of two. That stopped the danger. That was great play by the defence there, and it's out for a throw-in. Here's Carrick. Van Persie. He's not taking any risks there. They're breaking out quickly here. Iniesta. Here's Cesc Fabregas. He's got in. Got it. And Van Persie. Here's Carrick. A huge chance missed.
And he really went for it there. He knew that was the moment when he could have made the tie safe. It should have been a 3-goal lead.
Plays this forward. Deflected. And that will be the keeper's.
Look, it's not all about shooting from range. They found it quite difficult to do that. They've got to get some composure in their play.
Wants to get this forward. Scholes. That's clearly not what was intended. Got it. Scholes. Rooney. Sloppy pass, intercepted. Iniesta. Here's Messi. Chance. Scholes. Onside. Cut out in a promising position.
Well, he didn't have much on there. I thought he had to go it alone.
He's onside here. Messi's there. They've been given a corner. Ball in.
Number 21.
Intercepted at the last. Giggs on the ball.
Number 7.
Nani. Rooney on the ball. Here's Scholes. Giggs flicks it over the top. Can he now find a finish? Surely this time another one. They have a 3-goal advantage and that should be enough. Do you put that down to good finishing or to poor defending?
Well, the defence made his job an awful lot easier then. They all hesitated while he pounced. It's a pretty heavy price.
Rooney has completed his hat-trick.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just about unplayable. The irresistible force today.
We resume again. The score is 3-0. Valencia. Here's Cesc Fabregas. Giggs. The final whistle goes. A cruise, really. Never threatened, rarely troubled, easy winners. My sincere thanks go to Jim alongside me, and as the fans make their way home, so must we. Good evening to you.